Hello, in front of me I've got Honda Jazz. In this video I'll show you how to connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If you are connecting your smartphone for the first time, you will have prompt if you want to connect CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply select connect and it's done. If your smartphone is already connected, let's go to home and go to Bluetooth audio. Go to general settings and smartphone connections. Select Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, connect new device, and then you can connect new smartphone. Or you can go to connections, Bluetooth, select your smartphone, and select CarPlay or Android Auto. Confirm, and now confirm on your smartphone. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.